In this lecture, we will query the first layer name of a particular data frame inside of a map document. Even we will make a layer invisible without opening this map document. And our map document will be this one at shape. But before that, let's see what we have inside this map document, which is at shape, and this one is exist inside of this folder, my learning. In this map document named add shape, we have two data frames. One is first data frame, another one is second data frame. First data frame contain US city point, South Dakota, and US state. And second data frame contain US state polygon shape file. Now let's close this map document. No. Now we are going to getting access inside our map document, and we will do some magic without opening this map document by using IDE, which is PythonWin. Open this one from your all program. Now we have saved the script to see the first layer of this data frame. Let's open this, tile the window. Now this one was the script to identify the first layer. These three lines are saying to create workspace and declare the map document, but in here we need to use the directory path of that mxt file, which is map document, instead of this current. So delete this current and copy the directory path in where our mxt file exists. Then after directory path, we need to give the mxt file name also, which is add shape. And rest of all script will be same. So by using this line of script, we are getting access into the layer list, and in here we are getting the first layer by using 0 index. Now save this and run this to see the first layer of the first data frame. So the first layer is US city point. Let's check this. See, the first layer is US city point. Now let's do another interesting magic by using the magical power of ArcPy script. In here we can see all of this layer has been visible with checked in table of content. Now we are going to uncheck US city point without opening ArcMap. Let's close this ArcMap. Yes, we can do this. We already have created the script to make layer visible or invisible. Let's open that script file. This one, make layer visible or invisible. In here, we need to change the current with our directory path of this mxt file or map document, and the directory path is this one, or you can copy this from your folder. You can do this manually. First of all, you need to type R, then double quotation, then inside of double quotation, paste the directory, then backslash, then use the map document name. Now rest of all script will be same. In here we are getting access inside of this data frame by using this script. Then we are getting access in a particular layer. In here we want to make US city point invisible, and US city point is the first layer, that is why the index number will be 0. And by giving this script layer list dot visible is equal to false, which means the layer visibility will be invisible. Script are same. We have just changed this map document argument, which was current. Now it is a directory path with map document name. And don't forget to give them extension also. You need to give the name of map document with its extension also. You need to copy the whole name with its extension, then paste this in here. Now we also need to save this mxt. Without this script is not going to work properly. For this purpose we need to use mxt.save. Now press enter. I repeat, definitely we need to use this line of script in our PythonWin. Otherwise As we have not opened this MXT file, we are making some internal change of table of content. So after running this script, definitely we need to save this MXT without opening this. Now let's save this script, then run this. Now let's open our add shape and see the magic. See, our USL city point is invisible now and unchecked in table of content, which was checked and visible previously. By using ArcPy script PythonWin without opening ArcMap interface, we have done this successfully. This is the magical power of ArcPy. So by using ArcPy, we can do many GIS work without opening our ArcMap interface. Now let's do this magic and play with ArcPy in the field of GIS and enjoy programming.